Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, said in the future, every single pixel in a video game is going to be generated, not rendered. Imagine you're playing a video game and it's unlike any other game that anyone else has ever played. It is unique and custom to you. And here's the thing, it's actually being generated in real time. You might think this is some futuristic idea about how video games are going to be, but it's actually a lot closer than you think, and it might already be here. And today, we have a new paper from Google Research that shows that they were able to create the game Doom in a generated way using artificial intelligence. So I'm going to break this all down for you. I'm going to explain what it means and why it really will change everything about how video games are made. So first, let's start with a little bit about the game Doom. Doom is a classic video game that came out in the 90s that was absolutely pivotal for its time in terms of graphics and gameplay. And it's kind of a hacker tradition to put Doom on basically any device. I've seen it run on so many devices, and in fact, it actually has an entire subreddit dedicated to showing off all the different devices that people have gotten Doom to run on. So check this out. Here's one on a phone, here's a price checker, here's a flower pot. I've even seen Doom running on a pregnancy test. And of course, because of that, Doom was the perfect game for Google to show off their new game engine project. So today, the way that video games are made is everything is predefined. A developer or a team of developers goes in, they write all the code, all the rules, every single pixel, how it should operate, and they define everything beforehand. And then you render the game and play it. And you're all reading from this game engine. Then we had this evolution in video games in which we had procedural generation. Everything from Diablo way back in the day to No Man's Sky more recently. And that basically means that these levels or worlds were not necessarily predefined, but there was some formula to create them randomly. And now we have finally come to the next step in what video games will be in the future. Games that are generated on the fly for you using artificial intelligence. That means that no programmer has written code to define what the game looks like, how it works, any of the rules, none of it. It is being generated in real time just for you. And that also means you can customize the game as much or as little as you want in real time as well.